Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to track a package in the Australia Post application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the track button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on the add button at the top of the page on the right. And here you have to provide the tracking number of the specific package that you want to track. So I don't have any package, but here you have to write the existing tracking number, and then just click on the add button. And of course this code that I typed in does not exist, but yours will, and it will appear in the track section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.